300. So we're gonna take him very seriously. Okay, with Rio? Yes? Good luck? I don't know. He's gonna be somewhere in the middle. Do you prefer playing people your age, or do you like beating the adults more? No preference?
Just like winning.
Just like big smile on his face. This line, I hate the main line so much. Now I'm very curious to know his speed aid, but I'll ask after the game. Oh, Chesleeb. Yep, it's playing theory. This line, I just know this is where you're supposed to be with black, but lost a 12-year-old? No, actually he's 10. Please get it right. 9. 9. That was a nice move.
What's his name?
Kai. It's on the sweatshirt. Let him focus.
Online he's Ocean Chess Kid.
Oh, he's what?
Ocean Chess Kid.
Ocean Chess Kid. I'll let him.
Amanda underscore Panda 23
You're welcome. Don't get nervous.
Andrew, did you watch the stream when Alex was on last night?
I just came in at the very best times, and I've seen a few summaries. I was sad I missed it, but why'd you pick the name Ocean Chess Kid? Not really love the ocean. He chose it.
Kai means ocean.
Oh, aw, that's so cute. Bing, bing. Okay, that's a nice move. I try to trade. When you taught him, right? You taught him how to play? How old was he when he learned?
5.
5. Nice. My dad also taught me how to play.
But you can beat him now, right?
Yes. Can he beat you? What's your rating?
1700 on Lead Chess.
On Lead Chess. Well, he has a higher Lead Chess rating, so okay, he'll beat you soon. Enjoy these years while they last. My dad, when I was little and he'd make me play, we would play on bets, and when he beat me, I'd have to write on pieces of paper that he is the best chess player ever, and he still brings me together.
It's good motivation.
Yeah. Feel bad I'm distracted. I really talk a lot. Your younger opponents probably don't talk as much as me, so. Nice. I mean, Kai could probably beat 90% of chat, so you take my energy small warrior, they're rooting for you. Taking the pawn, getting ambitious. Okay, all right. I feel like that poor guy's gonna get out of play, but maybe not. Could block. Pretty sad. Could take. Is there anything here? Maybe there isn't. Okay. Oh! Are we playing touch? Actually, we didn't clarify for playing touch moves, so I'll give you my clue. Okay, next time we'll clear. I actually didn't see it. Okay, now I have to fight. Saw it too late. But I know that P8 played touch moves, so I'll respect the rules. Okay, now we have to flag him. It's the only option. Wrong. Oh, wow. Good one. Oh my gosh, we have no choice. 23 seconds. Alright, we're giving everything. We're giving a middle.
Sirius is standing up.
This is so small. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's gonna do it with 14 seconds. Oh, I should have been so relaxed. This is over. Can we do anything? This is very bad. I'm gonna lose to the 9-year-old. Good thing my sister's not here.
She'll lose too much, yeah.
Won't happen. Just don't get mated.
Wait, 9 seconds.
You're gonna wait?
9 seconds.
Good game.
Hey.
Oh, well
Oh
played.
my god.